Good evening, I'm Jeff Glor, and we're going to begin tonight with the sentencing of Paul Manafort. The president's former campaign chairman has just learned his fate. Manafort, who was 69, was convicted on 8 counts of tax and bank fraud for hiding payments from his work in Ukraine and later lying about his income. The big question, will he receive a presidential pardon now? Paula Reid is at the courthouse in Alexandria. Paula, what happened?
Jeff, we have just learned that Manafort has been sentenced to 47 months in prison. This is significantly less than the 19 to 25 years that prosecutors were seeking. Now, before he issued the sentence, the judge signaled that he may be lenient on Manafort because he believed that, quote, 19 to 25 years would be excessive, and he says Manafort has lived a, quote, otherwise blameless life. Manafort's sentencing comes as special counsel Robert Muller appears to be winding down his 2-year investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 election. Muller has charged 34 people and 3 companies, including 6 Trump associates. 5 have pleaded guilty. Manafort joined the Trump campaign in the summer of 2016 and served as campaign chairman for 2 months.
He saw what was going on in America. He understood the frustration and the anger, and he tapped into that.
When the special counsel investigation began in May 2017, Mueller went after the longtime lobbyist for money laundering and not paying taxes on millions of dollars he earned overseas, primarily from his work for pro-Russia Ukrainian President Viktor Yanukovych. Manafort has been behind bars for the last 9 months, most of it in solitary confinement. Traitor. His bail was revoked after allegedly contacting witnesses. He was also accused of lying to Mueller's investigators after agreeing to cooperate. A source tells CBS News Manafort is banking on a presidential pardon. Mr. Trump this past summer said it was not off the table.
He happens to be a very good person, and I think it's very sad what they've done to Paul Manafort.
Next week, Manafort will be sentenced in his other case in Washington, D.C., and the big question there is whether Manafort, who is about to turn 70, will be able to serve both of his sentences at the same time. Jeff?
Okay, so Paula, a related topic tonight. It does appear Michael Cohen's testimony got so much attention last week. Now it appears some of Cohen's testimony is being called into question. Can you talk about that a little bit?
That's right. This is specifically related to whether or not he ever sought a pardon. Last week, Cohen testified that he never asked for a pardon, but now his attorneys have confirmed that his previous legal team did explore that possibility. Now, Cohen has previously lied to Congress, admitted to that, and that is part of why he is headed to jail soon. Now, in other Cohen news, today he also filed a lawsuit against the Trump organization, alleging that they have not reimbursed him for his extensive legal fees.
Paula Reid with a lot to cover. Great job, as usual, Paula, in Alexandria.